Hello, my friends. I wanted to show you the dried. Sorry, I got distracted. That's my cat, Doja. Look at. Hey. I don't know if you can see her. Anyhow, I wanted to show you the dried result of my painting that I did yesterday, the cloud paint pour, and it dried really well, and it's been 24 hours, but it is not done. Can you hear her? Nope, sorry, Doja. Okay, let's look. Here it is. It dried terrific. The colors are still bright. It did dull a little bit, but that's to be expected. And can you see? Sorry, I'm using my front camera, and hopefully you can see. There it is. Look at the shapes. The sides look great. And it is dry to the touch after 24 hours, but I will say the underside, it is still heavy and it is still cool, and it's going to need some time for that to dry, especially right now. We are at, I don't know, 80-degree weather in Tucson. So probably give it another week and it'll be dry through and through. And then I can start thinking about what I'm going to put on it. I'm thinking, usually I put crystal clear spray and enamel on it by Rust-Oleum. Sorry, I'm so distracted with my brain right now. But I'm seriously thinking maybe I'll do this one in resin because it is so pretty. Look at. Oh, I don't know. Decisions. And then I was thinking maybe I should embellish it some more. Or maybe it should go like this. I don't know. But I'm loving, you can see the yellow in it didn't get completely lost. The red is in there. The teal, the blue. So awesome. So let me know what you think. Should I do resin or should I just do my traditional crystal clear? Because that always looks really good. And this is drying flat. I was worried it was going to crack and craze, but it did really well. So, I don't know. What do you think? Thank you for joining me. I will see you in the next video. Bye.